कहते हैं कि कभी कभी आप सफ़र को प्लान नहीं करते, सफ़र आपको प्लान करता है। इनफैक्ट सफ़र शायद आपको चूज़ करता है उस सफ़र को करने के लिए। मेरे ख्याल से अभी कुछ दिन पहले जो सफ़र मैंने सोचा, मैंने प्लान किया है, असल में सफ़र ने मुझे प्लान किया था इस सफ़र में आने के लिए। आप भी सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ और क्या समझ में आ रहा है। चलो इसी सफ़र की आज बात करते हैं। तो मैं रात के अंधेरे को चीरता हुआ सुबह 5:30 बजे तमिलनाडु के हाईवे और कच्चे रास्तों से होता हुआ इस फार्म हाउस पे पहुंचा, जहां मुझे उम्मीद तो कम थी, मगर देखने की जिज्ञासा थी कि यहाँ पे मेरे को क्या खुशी मिल सकती है। तो इसी खुशी को पाने के लिए हमने सोचा थोड़ा एक नेचर्स ट्रेल वॉक कर लेते हैं। उस नेचर ट्रेल वॉक को सुबह सुबह करने में आनंद तो आया, सीनरी भी माशाल्लाह काफ़ी सुंदर थी। ग्रीनरी के बैकड्रॉप में आपको वेस्टर्न घाट्स की रेंज जो नज़र आती है, क्या नज़ारा बनाती है। दूर पहाड़ों की ठंडी हवा का आपके बदन को छूना और गांव के किसी कोने से किसी महिला का सुंदर गीत आपके कानों में पड़ना, उफ, इस पूरे माहौल और रोमांच को आप सिर्फ महसूस कर सकते हो। उसको बयां करना शब्दों में बहुत ही मुश्किल होता है। उसके बाद हम वापस फार्म हाउस में आए और जो हमने किया और जिसने मेरे इस पूरे सफ़र को एक अलग ही रूप दे दिया, वो चलो आपको दिखाता हूँ।
Well guys, today we are at a very beautiful place, a lot of greenery. This place is somewhere within the confines of Kanyakumari, and if you can see behind me, entire thing is totally green. And just a few minutes back we had gone for a nature trail walk, and we had a beautiful time. The scenery behind with the hills and the Western Ghat at the far off end with clouds over it. And today with us is Mr.
NCC officer ANO Arul Raja.
Arul Raja. Mr. Arul Raja is here, and he will be showing us a demonstration of how one climbs this coconut tree. So let's see. He is already preparing it, and first let's see what he has to brief about this contraption which is doing it now. Yeah, Mr. Raja. So how do you go up the tree with this contraption here?
Yeah, it will be very useful for us climbing with the rope from the palm trees. Now it is very easy to climb any type of trees. It is with low education we can use this. It will be very easy for any height we can climb. So it is like walking on the tree.
Wow. Wow, this is really easy. I think I can also do it. So after Mr. Raju completes, then I will also give it a try. Can I also do it?
Yeah, you can do. It is very easy.
Easy.
A
Okay.
small technique I will teach you.
Okay. He has gone all the way top, and he's saying this is very easy way of climbing up to the top and getting those high up coconuts. Wow, he's almost there. Yeah. So he will get 2-3 coconuts for us, and then we'll have fresh. Yeah, see, this one has come, and now the second one. Yeah, one more. Yeah, he's trying to find a good coconut, but it will far out of the reach. Yeah. Yeah, it has come.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So now he has kept his. Yeah. So now after finishing his task, he's coming down slowly, as if walking down the hill or a cliff, rocky cliff or a snowy cliff. It's almost akin to that. Beautiful contraption. Who has created this contraption, this thing, equipment to climb up so easily? Any name? Who is the inventor behind this?
I do not know, but it is from Kanyakumari district, I think.
Okay. So this thing is being used everywhere now?
Yes.
Okay.
Common people, after Corona, so many people are using.
Okay. So even in Kerala and other states also, same thing?
Yeah.
Okay. So it has become quite common and famous. And it has made even the common man to climb up the trees. Otherwise, specialized persons were required to climb up the trees and bring down the coconuts from the high top of these trees.
So do you want to?
Okay.
Okay.
So Mr. Raja has told me how to climb up. So I will just see.
So first you take right side.
No,
Slow.
it's not that easy also.
First
Right?
shoes will go inside.
Inside.
I think it is not good. Shoes. You have to remove shoes.
Remove shoes.
Yeah.
So I'll have to remove shoes, then we'll try.
Now right leg.
Yeah. So,
Both leg and hands should be same time. It should take out.
Right.
Yeah. Yes. Very good. Now left. Good. You have learnt.
so common city person with this contraption has been able to climb up now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Slowly.
Yeah. I think it's.
So it is not very difficult, but practice will help you to make speed.
Yeah. Oh. So this is a demo.
Yeah.
And for me, I think this is good enough height.
Very good.
To
Now you come down,
Yeah.
but you have to take the left first.
Left first.
Yeah.
First up.
Lift the leg and take down. Yeah. Very good. That is enough. Okay. Yeah. Good. Sir, lift the right side. Yes. Now you take the down. Yeah. First leg. The both ropes should not interfere. Once again, one on the other. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Slow. Okay. Lock with right.
So you need to have some time to get a hang of it, and if you get it, then it's quite easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I got the hang.
Both leg and hand should be functioning simultaneously.
Yeah.
Now left. Left should be taken down.
I think going up was easy for me.
Yes. So this is the very first time now. So don't sit down. If you sit down, it will be difficult one.
No, I have no fear of heights.
Okay, very good. So very easily you have learnt.
Yeah, only because my guide was very good. My guide was, he told me and guided me in a very simple manner.
Yeah.
And see, I was able to complete the task.
Because you had that interest. Otherwise,
Thank you
okay.
for teaching me this technique of climbing up, and whenever I have a chance, then I can always go up and get those coconuts now.
Very good, very good.
City person like me. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, which are the various parts of this contraption? So, this is the wires which is used for getting a hold on the tree. And this you are saying is
This
lock.
is a lock, so you can.
Okay, up and down. Okay.
So it will be lock, so that it will be easier to lift it
Okay.
to one side to other.
Okay.
So this is another lock for the rope.
Okay. So you have to bring those rope like this
Yeah.
from that hook,
Keep it inside.
from that loop.
And it is also locked here.
Oh, this is locked. Okay. Great.
Same
great.
way the next one.
Okay.
Always the smallest one is right side, upper.
Okay.
The longer side is lower, left.
Okay.
So that should be.
So as per him, the shorter one is towards the right.
Right side up.
Up. Shorter one is right and up.
Up.
And the longer one is to the left and down.
Lower.
Because it is long, so that it is easier for you to hold and bring it up.
Yeah.
So that's why that portion which is down and on to the left is longer, so that it is easy to reach up to the down and then pull it up. So by the time he is just packing these things, so I'll just pan around and show you his this greenery field. There are a lot of coconut trees, mango trees also there. So as per him, they are almost so juicy that they feel like fruity, isn't it?
Yes.
They have fruit just like fruity juice. Yeah. You want me to carry one of them?
Yeah. You take one.
Yeah.
So this is.
Yeah. So I will carry one, and he is kind enough to carry two, along with the contraption also. Yeah. Yeah, so we have reached our resting place, and the coconut is being cut, and from this we will have the coconut water. Yeah, like an expert is cutting it. So one is for him, one is for me, and one is for that guy who is lazing around in that cot. And still he is into social media in this beautiful place. This is the bane of the today's modern technology.
Yeah.
So sir,
Bane of today's world.
so sir, what do you have to say about the whole experience of going into this nature's trail?
Yeah, so the thing that I need to say is that, once I came back from the trek, that little trek that we did, the moment I came back, I just wanted to do this. You are the hard worker. Please have. No.
I'll have, sir, but I cannot have before you have it. I can only follow the
We don't
seniors.
have together.
Yeah.
So you have, sir?
So like a good team spirit, we'll all have together. We'll not leave anybody behind.
Yeah, we won't leave.
So, see, this small hole has been made, and from here one can just sip the very sweet
Nectar.
nectar of the coconut.
Coconut.
Yeah, a lot of hard work is going into it to get this coconut ready for us to drink it. Evan, sir, what do you have to say?
Well, like I said, I'm overwhelmed.
Oh man,
Yeah.
and though he likes to drink, but he doesn't want to work hard. See, I went all the way
Yeah, what's
to
the
the
way, right?
top of that coconut tree
Yeah, good.
and learned the technique.
Yeah, that's
For the
that's
future.
exactly.
Because
That's-
if you teach a man to catch a fish,
You will climb and catch a coconut.
yes. So I have also got. Now we are waiting for the third one to open up.
Cheers.
Cheers, cheers. Yeah, cheers. So yeah.
Thank you so
We are in the nature and having a natural water. Yeah.
Very nice, you know.
Very nice. Very sweet. Awesome. So, your views, sir?
Even you cannot get it in the shops.
Yeah.
3 or 4 days before only.
Yeah.
So it is
That water content also goes down.
immediately we are drinking.
Yeah.
It will be very nice.
This is organic because he doesn't use any
Yes.
fertilizer or any chemicals for
only-
these plants. So this is totally, purely organic,
Yeah.
and the taste is awesome. I'm sorry, sir. Water is falling on your
Yeah.
sandal. I'm just trying to wash it off with the coconut water.
You better do that.
You don't wash it with the coconut water.
We are affluent people, so instead of water, we use coconut water to
Yeah.
wash off the,
Very
even the
rich.
sandals.
Oh,
No, he's taking seriously. There is so much of water that your stomach is full, but water is still there.
That's really good.
Lot of water content from this freshly plucked out.
that's why I took
coconut.
only 2 coconuts were there in that type.
Yeah.
So you
And you
enjoy.
sacrifice your
No,
own thirst
I am always enjoying.
and water
So
for
you are my guest.
Ah. Okay.
beautiful.
So do you want to open? So it will be something.
So now we'll open it up, and then there is a cream. There's a cream inside it, and then we'll just skim off the cream. Yeah, see, this is a cream. So how do you take it out?
Ah, good.
You can,
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, I think this is a spoon, natural spoon. Yeah. And with this, you can have the cream of the coconut. Let's see. Okay, so time to move out, and so the heart says stay here, but the mind says that one has to move out because there are other things in the offering. Going back, the 3 Musketeers, and it was great being in this place. So thank you, because this place belongs to him. He is the owner, and he has beautifully kept this place in a very everything in its as per its nature state, and nothing artificial or chemical. Everything is organic here. So beautiful place, and we need to learn from him that we have to be.
Even he is an organic man.
Yeah, organic man. Then his nature is also organic, means very pure at heart. So great values which we are taking away from this place. So see you, bye, take care. Yeah, you want to say bye, take care? Yeah, thank you.
हम वहाँ से जा तो रहे थे, मगर प्रकृति हमको अचंभित करने वाले दृश्यों को दिखाने से चूक नहीं रही थी। प्रकृति को महसूस किया जा सकता है टीवी के स्क्रीन और मोबाइल के स्क्रीन पे रहकर नहीं। चलो अब मुझे भी पकड़नी है रफ्तार, क्योंकि मुझे पहुंचना है मंजिल के उस पार।